I want to explain place tool. With the place tool, you can place any of these files. Interesting Affinity Designer files, PDF file, all of JPEGs you can see in this list. For example, an image. As you can see, the mouse cursor is changing like this. And then with simple click and drag, you can place your image and then move it, and you can access all of these tools that I explained before. You can replace image with other things. Then you can change it. Another interesting feature in the place tool is this. For example, we have another simple Affinity file designer here, and you can save it anywhere that you want. Then you can simply place Affinity Designer, other Affinity Designer file to your other files. Click and drag. As you can see, this is our Affinity Designer file without background. For changing that, you can edit document. It's open the document and you can edit your document, main document here without saving. You can open it. Without saving, you can see it automatically update in other file of Affinity Designer. You can change it like this. Simple. This is an embedded. You can, for example, change this color like this, and then can come back. As you can see, it's automatically update. Or you can place other images like this, click and drag. You can replace image again. For accessing that tools, you can like this, you can replace any image that you want, and that's it. It's very simple. So you can place all of this document, don't forget. You can test it and place your object here. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.